Hi, welcome. This is Moody Mom from Moody Family, and this is the first cleaning video that we are doing. Now, I wanted to show you how the house looked after the New Year. This is from Christmas. This is from after the New Year's, and we have to get it in order. Now, honestly, my house can look like this every couple of days because I have 4 boys and 1 girl. So, it can get a little rough and a husband. If you're married, you know what I mean. So just stay tuned and let's get in this video. Let's go. Let's get started. Yay! So the first thing I'm gonna do is start cleaning the living room. Look at Daniel. He wanted to dance or karate for you all. So if you're new to the family or this channel and our family, you see AJ playing with the head. Daniel is the one that was trying to karate or dance for you all. And baby Wayne is the one sitting in his chair. You can't see his face, but you can sure enough see his feet. So now I'm gonna just clean up this side in the living room too. It's so much to do, guys. I hope this is bringing you some motivation to clean your living room because, woo, I needed some motivation. So I hope this gives you some. Hope you're getting up right now, putting us on your YouTube channel and putting us on your TV and letting us play while you clean up. So let's go. Get up. Get up. Baby Wayne is just chilling. Y'all see? He don't never be this relaxed when I clean. I might have to record more videos like this. What do y'all think? He's just relaxing. If you have children, how do you clean? Are they always in your area, like when you're trying to clean, or do they actually go to their room and let you clean? So now I'm gonna stop the music and let you listen to me vacuum. I would bring the music back afterwards, but this is so satisfying to me, the sound of a vacuum. Whoa, like my ears?
Yeah, right. Sorry. Nailed it.
You see all that junk over there? It's all toys. There's a lot of junk up there. I need to figure out what to do with it.
Talking about what happened to me yesterday, do you?
But other than that, it's pretty clean.
I'm sure it's something else. Dude! I just heard the funniest thing about you wearing makeup outside Jennifer's house. Everybody is laughing about it. I mean, everybody.
Let's move to the dining room.
Okay. Maybe they were laughing about what happened yesterday. Joke. Hey! Stay. I knew you'd be excited. Oh, if you'll excuse
this
me,
box
Jennifer invited me to
is
tag
for the
along to
boys'
her
room.
classes today.
However, I'm not doing it yet.
Okay, great.
These are the products I got the other day at the Dollar Tree. This is vinegar, y'all.
Is the key to everything. If only we could just find them, finance management.
This is how the dining room looks now. Pretty clean, y'all.
Oh, Brandon's caught a real stuff, guys. So if they fix this all and ripped it all up.
If you're wondering why we don't have a microwave, our son AJ, he has autism and has ADHD. You can probably hear him in the back. He pulled it down one day and broke our cabinets and microwave. So that's why we don't have a microwave. Our channel also has a lot of videos about AJ and autism and everything else to go along with having a big family on our channel. So tune in. Subscribe to Moody Family. These are some Dollar Tree items that I picked up earlier. Is it spelled wrong? What is this word?
Mom.
What's this?
Pink.
What's this?
Purple.
What's this?
B.
What's this? Make sure you subscribe and like for part 2. So if you like this video, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and let us know what you think about the video and what else you want to see. Have a wonderful Happy New Year. Peace.